Welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and tasty rice and peas with a twist. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome. I'm happy to have you. And please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. So stay tuned for this video tutorial. So to make this delicious rice and peas, and it's a one-of-a-kind, very tasty, I'm going to use about that amount of pepper, some yellow pepper in it, and I'm going to use about half of onion. So I'm going to go ahead, just cut these onion up. And I'm going to repeat the same process with the peppers. Just going to go ahead and dice them. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 2 green chili. Remember, this is personal preference. You don't have to. And also, I'm going to add a piece of ginger. Here, some fresh thyme. This is coconut cream solid. You can buy the liquid or you can get the natural coconut, break it, grate it, but it takes longer. But this gives you same effect, same flavor. So here I have a pan on. I'm just warming it up a bit. So I'm going to add a bit of olive oil in. And for this recipe, I'm using about a pound of rice. So the rules is always, if you put your rice in, you need about 1 inch of water over the rice to get your perfect rice. Okay, so your pot is hot, so just put the peppers in. Add your thyme, ginger, so what I'm doing now, I'm just sauteing them. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to season some sea salt on this. Okay, so I'm going to add the coconut in. Then I'm going to add my cooked peas in. I'm going to add some boiling water. So I'm going to use about that amount of water. So you don't want to put any more in yet. Because if you add too much, you have to take it back out. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to bring this to a boil. Give it a bit of taste and see if it's okay. So that could take a bit more seasoning. So So I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose in. As you can see, look how colorful this is. So now, as you can see, the coconut milk has been cooked out. As you see, this rich and creamy texture. Look at that. We're going to add our rice. This rice been washed. So we add it in. Give it a bit of stir. At this point, I'm going to add a bit of butter. But to add the butter, that's personal preference. So now give it another stir. Yeah, because you don't want it stuck in the bottom of the pot. Just pop your lid on and let it steam. So at this point, I'm going to check the rice. As you can see, guys, look at that. That's what you want. Nice and colorful. This, I'm going to give this another 3 to 4 minutes. Then it's good to go. So that's what you want, guys. So ladies and gentlemen, rice and peas is ready. So what can you have with this? You know, it's personal preference. You can use some curry goat. Look at that. You can have it with some curry goat, brown stew chicken, some oxtail. So I have some oxtail which I cooked earlier. Now dinner is served. So with this, just put some broccoli on, bit of corn. Look at that, you're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, please do remember to like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Thank you for watching.